Hi Virgos, my birthday buddies. Happy New Year. And I'm Dr. Avanii Rajadhyaksha. I'm the founder of Healing Institute Infinite Healing. That should have been my first line. But let's see in this video how Virgos are going to do in 2023. So this is a yearly reading. Alright. So let us see from January to December what is going to happen with the Virgos. I'll be talking like trailers about each and every month. And as I tell you all, this is a reading. I just read for you. If you change your thoughts, the reading will change according to your thoughts. Thoughts are bad, again, the readings will change later. And thoughts are good, things will change. Uh, Thoughts are the same, the cards will be the same. Oh my god, so let me see. Excited since January. Let me see what's happening with the Virgos. All right. Amazing cards. All right, I'm happy. Happy for myself. Good. Oh my god. So okay, Jan will start with a little dhakka start, what we say. Drum, drum, drum. Jan will start with a little break. Maybe health needs to be taken care of in January for you Virgos. Overall, in this whole year, there are a lot of reverse cards which shows delay. But the delay is not like a bad delay some days. So you will just have to plan accordingly. January shows a little health issue, not a major one, but a health issue where you need to take a break. So you just need to calm down, need to think, and then need to start. So or else it will be a compulsory break. All right. So yes, Jan, good to start with. Just come to feet back and then take a leap, because February gives all your expected results. February, what all you have expected, you will get those results amazingly. Overall, I've spoken about the delay part. March, do not take risks. In March, do not take risks in any factor. Okay, in any aspect of your life, could be health, could be money, could be career, whatever. Just let it be. All right. April, again, things are fine overall, but in April, some elderly person will give you an issue who's of masculine energy. Some elderly person who's masculine energy, it could be a female, but masculine energy would prove issueful. All right, in April. May, you'll work a lot, but no option. You will have to generate that much of energy, and you will be given that energy. It's worth it. Okay. Um, that's about April. No, that's about May. June, will we all find a little mismanagement in June will happen, which you have to take care of. It's fine. Um, because yeah, everything cannot be hanky dory. Uh, yeah, a little mismanagement, yes. Uh, July, wow. July, lot of money in store actually. You will have good money in store, and you will reap from your heredity money, or you will get some heredity money, or some money where you can depend on. That is some that I see in July. Wow, great, amazing. August, um, a little quench with love. You will want to search for love, but that's not the time. Yes, love is coming in December. Love is coming in next December for sure. But maybe you'll start your search of love in August. In September again, you will. It's a good month though overall, but you will again feel that this is not what I wanted. God, why did you give me this? And this is not what I expected. This is not the kind of love that I expected. So you will deal with that. October is some international travel or some international affiliation or something relating to international aspect. Right. Yes, that's in October. November again. I remember in this November section also we had spoken of something that you will put up as a new project, some new planning, some new idea, and some new merger. This November also you'll be doing that. Especially that will help you with money a lot. Yes. And December you will meet maybe your soulmate, or maybe you will have your soulmate. You might have met him earlier, but the final conclusion will come in December 2023. My God, what reading has come from the for the Virgos? We start with a break and we end with love. We have international recognition. We have money. We have some heredity, I guess, property or money. Uh, Yeah, a little delay, but fair, it's worth it. Lot of work. What else do you want? And I've already told you when not to take risk, when to take decisions, what kind of decisions. Yes, I mean, that way talking about love, you could use a rose quartz. This is a rose quartz. But this is just a pyramid. You could use it in any form. You could see I'm using it in the bracelet form as well. So my God, overall, seems fine. Major things that you need to take care. I mean, not much you can take care. It's just like be your management skills should be fine, and don't take too much of risks in the month of March. But overall, things are pretty good. Just some emotional things in, I guess, September, but that is due to your own reasoning. All right, amazing reading for the Virgos. I hope you liked it, and I hope it really will help you for the coming year, right? And I'll see you soon. Have a very, very nice year, Virgos. Bye bye.